best United States or USA VPN out there today. So make sure you watch the full video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. A bit complicated, I would say. But over here you have 3 dots, and here you have the server list. You can pretty much tap on this, pretty much see all the servers that they have available. But later on, I will get into that. Here you have your history section, pretty much the server that you have been, or you have connected to in the previous times that you've been using the application. VPN filtering feature, which pretty much allows you to select which VPN you do not want to get our application, you don't want to get the VPN connection. And also you have the remove ads feature, which is pretty much the section where you can go to get the premium account or premium subscription. So here you can see the prices for their monthly subscription, the 6 months, and also 1 year subscription, and all the servers that are available. Here you have a 7-day free trial, which you can try out. Their pro version, which is pretty much $4 a month for their pro version. So you can get it for 7 days for free, but after that you're gonna start paying this amount. Let's see down here. So that's really much for that there. And in the frequently asked question, nothing much for that. So I'll just go on the home screen real quick, or the connection option. So here's pretty much going to you down to your receive protocols. I recommend you let it stay on OpenVPN, which is the best to me, or you can pretty much switch whichever one you want to use. You can use SSH, which is pretty much socks, or WireGuard, whichever one you prefer. But OpenVPN is the best to me, but you switching between servers will give you WireGuard will give you a much faster connection, so you can use it as well. But if I tap on this here where it says change location, as you can see it's currently on United Kingdom, sorry. You can see all the servers for this here, which is the WireGuard connection. So all the servers have different connection modes. But you have the pro server section here, and you have the free server section. But you won't be able to use the pro server section because you don't have a subscription or the pro account. But you can use these free server that they have here. And that's pretty much it for that there. And let's say you want to use one of these servers. Let's say Canada, Toronto. We're gonna tap on this here. We'll show you a quick ad. I'm just gonna pause it quick. Then it will pretty much carry you back to the home screen. Once you have the home screen, you just tap and connect to the server, connect to your VPN USA, and you're pretty much good to go. We'll ask for connection request, just tap on OK, and you're connected in no time. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If you have missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad enough to help you guys. And one other thing, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.